Hey everyone, today I'm popping in really quick with an easy install tutorial using this straight number right here that I just received from my first wig. So a little bit about this unit. It came with the knots already bleached, and that was a big help since it saved me from having to go in and bleach it myself. And yeah, I definitely prefer bleached knots because they just overall make lace wigs look a lot more realistic. As far as how to attach it, it comes with 2 side combs and 1 back comb. And to get a snug fit, it comes with a pre-attached elastic band, which you can adjust right there. Also, the hairline did come pre-plucked. However, I did go back in with some tweezers and thinned it out some more, about 1 inch all around the front edge. And that's the only thing I did to the wig beforehand. Alright, so to install is really simple. I have my wig cap on and I'm going to push it back to the middle of my head because I'm just using it to make sure my cornrows stay flat and my ends are protected and I don't get any snags. Now pop the wig on and get the placement right. And once it's in place, I'm taking some of this flyaway tamer, which came with the wig, to keep all of the hair back and away. Then carefully cut off the excess lace. So you can stop here and wear the wig glueless if you want. Just press in the combs and tighten the elastic band. But I don't like how it lifts at the ears, and I also don't want to run the risk of it lifting anywhere else. So I'm going to use some of this Got2b and spread a thin layer all around the edge of my natural hairline. Fan it for about a minute so it gets tacky. Then bring the wig back up into place. And when I use adhesive, I don't find the need to use the side combs in the wig. I only use the back comb to keep the wig in place in the back, and I tighten the adjustable strap. Once it's in place, you want to press the edges of the lace down so it looks like it's blending right in with your skin. And if you happen to press down some of the wig hairs with it, no worries, we can easily fix that in a minute. Now I'm taking a scarf to tie it all down, and I usually give this about 30 minutes so everything is set. Scarf is off, the adhesive is set, and the lace is laid. So now we're going to release the hair around the edges by gently brushing it out so it's free flowing like the rest of the hair. And if you happen to get any excess glue, like I have a little here, just wet a cloth very, very lightly and wipe it away. It comes off in a snap. Gonna dampen the top of the wig and then smooth and blow dry to get it to lay as flat as possible. Then go in with my flat iron to get it bone straight. Then to bring out the part more and to get a better match with my skin tone, I'm dabbing on some concealer and blending it in. And with this wig, you can pretty much part it wherever you want, but today I'm just gonna go ahead and stick with the middle part. Last step, which is completely optional. You can do this or you can just leave it be, but I'm brushing my edges to frame my face. So that is it, guys. The install of this My First Wig unit is so straightforward and easy to work with, and the end result looks so realistic and undetectable with the invisible lace, which I love. And I mean, you really just can't go wrong with a simple, sleek style. As always, I'll have everything you need to know down below in the description box. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will catch you all on my next one. Bye!